Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can animate objects on Google Slides. Select insert image. You can upload from computer or search the web. I'm just going to upload mine from computer, and I'm just going to randomly select one of these pictures, and I'm just going to select it and add it in Google Slides. Select animate here, and here you can choose the animation you want. There's appear, disappear, fade in, fade out, fly in, zoom out, and spin. I'm just going to choose the fade in one, or appear. Here you can adjust how fast or slow you want it to be. I'm just going to select medium for mine, and you can select it on click or after previous or with previous. I'm just going to select on click with mine, and this is what it will look like. So when you click it, that's going to appear. Or you can also choose with previous. So if I play it, it's going to appear after. Let's choose another one, shall we? Let's choose fade in instead, so you guys can see. And I'm going to choose fast instead. So play, and it's going to fade in with previous. And if I choose click, hold on, where is it? Click, and select slideshow and click it, it's going to then appear later on. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!